we can get to the first of a couple books that we're going to talk about. This is one that if you are in service desk leadership, right, or IT leadership, or really just leadership in general, this book, The Field Guide to Understanding Human Error by Sidney Decker. This book is one of my all-time greats. After I read it, I was like, I was on a different plane of existence, right? It really taught me to look deeper past a person making a mistake and into the systems, the processes, the tools, the documentation that make mistakes possible. So the old way, Sidney Decker says, kind of the old way of thinking about human error is that our systems, ServiceNow, Sharewell, our phone system, all the documentation, the knowledge articles, things like that, our procedures, our processes would be totally fine if it weren't for the behavior of just a bunch of unreliable people that are using them, right? And this is where I think coming back to the 5 whys, we always say, you know, if it's like, well, we would have done fine if Zach just didn't read carefully enough, right?
Yeah.
So I look at that. I'm like, I'm going to go past the person. Look, what in our tooling makes it possible for things to go wrong?